Welcome to the future of commercial door operators. Introducing the new LiftMaster MAXUM series. Smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Let's take a closer look at how the new MAXUM series stacks up against the old models. One of the biggest upgrades is the transition from AC motors to powerful DC motors. This change isn't just about power, it's about performance and efficiency. The DC motor in the new MAXUM series delivers superior power and precision. It's designed to handle the toughest jobs while being more energy efficient. Installation has never been easier. The new MAXUM models are up to 20 pounds lighter and have a smaller footprint, making single technician installs a breeze. The reduced weight and footprint allows us to ship them by UPS, making it more convenient than ever. With floor-level programming, everything is accessible and straightforward, reducing installation time and complexity. And when it comes to maintenance, the MAXUM series leads the industry. Advanced diagnostics and troubleshooting are available both locally, on the wall controller, and remotely through MyQ facility. You can now, before you go, ensure faster repairs and minimal downtime. And here is an exclusive offer from All Security Equipment. When you purchase a LiftMaster MAXUM commercial door operator, you get MyQ facility access, including for free. Manage and monitor your facility's access from anywhere at any time. Speed is key in any commercial environment. The MAXUM series operate at 12 inches per second, providing industry-leading efficiency. The MAXUM series is smart right off the box. With embedded Wi-Fi connectivity, no need for extra hub or accessories. Plus, the soft start and soft stop feature minimize wear and tear, extending the life of the motor. And with battery backup, you get continuous uptime, keeping operation running smoothly, even during power outages. The LiftMaster MAXUM series comes in 3 versatile product families to meet your specific needs. First, the JDC, jack shaft DC operator, perfect for sectional or rolling doors up to 700 pounds, and it includes battery backup as a standard feature. Next, we have the JHDC jackshaft hoisted DC operator, supporting sectional or rolling doors up to 2,200 pounds. This model is battery backup capable, ensuring maximum reliability. Lastly, the TDC, trolley DC operator, designed for standard lift sectional doors up to 2,200 pounds. Like the JHDC, it is also battery backup capable, making it an ideal choice for continuous operation. LiftMaster MAXUM commercial door operators, setting a new standard for commercial door operators. Smarter, faster, and simpler. Get yours today at All Security Equipment and experience the future of commercial door operation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and product overviews. You can see all of the info of these products in the description below.